What's up, fam? Good afternoon. The chicken coop came and Chris is trying to put it together, and Bella's in the shower, Ava's taking a nap, and just a beautiful day outside. Look at this. Big box came with all these pieces. I'm trying not to get Chris in it.
Yeah, you can get me in it.
All these pieces, all these screws. Literally, look at all these screws. So many screws. And all these little tiny pieces. Then there was pieces over here, more paper. Oh, there's pieces over there. I didn't even notice. They blended in. And I think I said this over here too. He's putting this together. Say what's up, fam? Sided, he said. Sided. I did this, Chris. So yeah, he's doing that, and then we're gonna put it out there on that line. I can't really open the door to show you guys, but when I do, then you can see. But I'm gonna go get Bella out of the shower and get dressed.
So now I got dressed. I was wearing a pink stripe. Now I'm wearing a blue stripe. Wearing some black shorts. Because it's hot out there. Bella's out of the shower. I'm going to brush my hair. I've been training it to be more poofy. Is what I like. This hair as being. I don't like it like this. I don't know. I got to dye it again because it's starting to get a little like my old color in there. So. And then I go like this. Put my hair up. Bella's wearing the cutest little fit right now. Bella, you want to show the camera what you're wearing? Want to show the fam? Your shirt. Show me your pants. So this is my fit.
You're recording.
Knock knock, let me in.
Made some dinner, mac and cheese, biscuits, and ham. That's Chris's. Here's mine. Coop is built, but you just have to put the last bits, the egg thing on it, and everything like that. Buttery. Bella's eating. Ava's watching TV, and she just ate a bottle. So I'm gonna go help him. What? Now this is the after. And you can go here to get your eggs. There's a door here. There's a door on that side. You can run out this way. Good job, hubby. Oh, it's so dark out here. Hi, Daisy. Alright guys, chicken coop's done. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go to sleep. Like, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Bye!